The time has come for me to do the most simple of Rover jobs with this screwdriver. My Rover 25 clock has never worked. I mean, it probably did do before I bought the car and when it was new and come out of the factory, but it's never worked during the whole time that I've had it. And as I've got a spare clock, I don't know why I haven't got around to fitting it yet, because it's not exactly difficult. We just need to remove this plastic surround, so a nice plastic tool like that will do the job. This should take seconds to pull out. There we go. And then beyond the trim there are two screws, and that's why I've just magnified my screwdriver, because if you drop your screws down there you're not going to get them back. Now the only thing is, I suspect this clock might just be different to that one. It's got different buttons on it, so the plug might be different. There's one way to find out, and it's probably not the only way, but it's the way I'm going to use. And now there is a hole where there was once a clock. If we look at the back of these clocks, they're different, which means it won't work. But being ever the optimist, I plugged it in anyway, and it does work. So how curious is that? Feeling quite pleased by my now working clock. The only thing is, there's no backlight on it. I wish I'd noticed that before. I'm going to have to take it back out now and fit a new bulb.